9 Awesome Ways to Boost Sales. To improve the sales in your business, focus on the customers and shift to increasing sales performance rather than profit. This is the first word of advice any sales expert would give you. If you want to boost sales and don't know how, here are 9 awesome ways to do just that. Let's get started. 1. Focus on the existing customers. If you want to improve sales, you should shift your focus from attracting new customers to making those who have already tried out your products or services to buy again and learn how to maintain all the buyers. If you focus on your proven customers, you are able to increase and boost your sales dramatically. Marketing can certainly affect the sales, but it cannot solely lead to increased sales because you only focus on new customers and forget to maximize the already existing customers. 2. Learn about competitors. You should analyze what the competitors offer and learn new techniques, thinking of ways to outdo them. Competition is the challenges and an opportunity to boost your sales, especially if you use their weakness and maximize your strengths. 3. Innovation and unique products. The customers should not leave your business with some products or services but should be fully satisfied. It is important to make the customers prefer your business to others by maximizing on quality, unique and innovative products that can outdo similar products in the market. 4. Cultivate value. The best way to boost your sales is to create and cultivate value in all ways, such as staff training, increased value products, among others. Creating an atmosphere of value setting helps to attract and retain the existing customers at all seasons. 5. Build a customer service approach. Building a comprehensive resource center and customer service is a great way to give the clients access to a diverse range of the products and services that you offer. Additionally, you should monitor your brands and, in case of complaints, address the issues quickly in a timely manner. The customers need to feel appreciated and welcome to the business always. 6. Customer relations. One way of boosting sales is through increased customer relation and maximizing on the available customers in a genuine manner. The staff should learn how to treat the employees in a special and appreciated ways to maintain those who have come to your business. 7. Promotion. The promotions and marketing give the customers a great deal of existence of the products or services in the market. In some instances, discounts give the customers the ability to try your products. The promotion can give way to attract more customers and at the same time maximize the number of existing users. In some instances, you can offer free samples. 8. Marketing. Marketing is a definite way that helps to boost sales. Through marketing, the products and services, which are unique and of high quality, mainly capture the attention of customers and in the process, make them esteemed consumers. The customers are the only options that can help you boost the sales. Marketing can also involve rewarding of the customers. 9. Provide credible products. Credibility is one of the key factors that makes the customers trust and feel comfortable with your products and services. Use techniques such as advertisements to enhance your credibility in your sale. For example, use of customer testimonials and online marketing aid in raising customers' trust on your products. In the process, you boost your sales.